Hey, happy 4th, y'all. No, we got a couple of things we're going to put on the grill. Oh, okay. I don't know if they hear you, but okay. You heard my son. Yeah, but today, July 4th, y'all, we going to be grilling some stuff. And one of them is going to be ribs. These are the baby back ribs. I actually got 2 of these sizes. And I know how long it takes to grill. I love grill food. So what we decide to do, I'm going to cook this on the stove. And then the rest of the way, it's going to be in the grill, on the grill. Because, yeah, I know how long rib takes. And you're not going to try me like that today. So, yeah, Save-A-Lot, which is $6.97. And then the other one is already, I took it out the pack already. I think that was like around the same price, y'all. So, yeah, I'm going to season it, put some water in it, and, yeah, I'll show you the rest. So I know this is not big enough, but once it starts boiling, it's gonna shrink a little bit anyway. So I'm just gonna season it. I'm not gonna use a butter because I'm not putting it in the oven. I'm boiling it. So yeah, I'm gonna be using some garlic salt. Put some on there. I know it's gonna look like a lot because with myself, I like to rub it on the back. So also I'm gonna be using a little bit of my chicken seasoning. Too much of that. My black pepper. And then last but not least, my maple seasoning. If you know, for the last one that we grill, I like to use the smokehouse maple. It's so good, y'all. So, yeah, I'm going to put that on there. I'll put quite a few because I want that taste on there. Like I said, I know it might like a lot, but I'm going to mix it around. Want to make sure you get on the sides, too. You see how seasoned it is, y'all? And put some little water in there. Alright, so this is how it looks. I put the water in there, the seasoning in there, so I'm going to boil a while, okay? Okay, now this is about after an hour. I let it cook. And you see how it's still well seasoned. So, yeah, I don't have to put no seasoning. I just might rub some honey on it. Now, I told you I really don't like honey unless it's in sauces. But since it got the seasoning on it, I'm just going to glaze it with the honey. And then we're going to grill it so you're going to taste a little bit of that sweetness and that barbecue taste. Okay, hey, okay, we got the one of them on. We're going to finish grilling it on there. But my cousin, she got some honey. And we're going to rub it on. I forgot to do that with the first one. Jordan gonna brush it on there.
Now brush.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, I can smell it.
I did get kind of charred more. I mean, not the top, but the back of it. So now we're trying to see, like, because I don't want the front to get, like, severely cooked like that. I don't want it charred like that. So we're going to see what we're going to do, y'all. Last time we had a trouble with, like, starting the fire and keeping it, like, lit. Now we don't have a trouble when it's, like, I don't want it too, like, scorched. I don't know if I can see it.
It took about like
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah, because we, like I know rib take a long time, but we, like I said, we cooked the majority. We got you. It's the hot dogs. Because we got, what is it, mango on the thing. My son gonna taste the ribs for the first time on the grill because he ain't never do that. I'm just see if he like it. And be honest. Well, I know you're gonna be honest. You should have fired yesterday. How I tell you don't like it?
I'll give it a 6.
A 6? Okay. So would you think you were going to eat the rest, or would you? I think you would like it with that barbecue. Dang, he spit it out. I think you would like it with
the barbecue sauce. He spits it out.
You say he won't?
No, I will like it.
We got the light skin and barbecue sauce. So you gonna taste it on that and see if he changed his mind if he just still don't like it.
Well, I didn't even bite it.
You sit on? It's dang. What you rated it now? A 0?
Well, 3.
Oh, a 3? Oh, so it's not a 0 then? A 3? Yeah, we grilled. Me and my cousin grilled some ribs. I already knew it was gonna take a long time on the grill because I always see people grilling, and ribs on the grill take like 3 hours or more. I don't got time for that. So I put it on my season it, and I put it on the stove and boiled it for about an hour on like high, medium high, but like more on high. And then the rest of it it took like what, about 15 minutes?
Yeah.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, the front and back, and we flipped it over, and that's how it is. Now, we should have put barbecue sauce on it, on the grill, but we forgot, so, yeah, I'm just going to dip it in there, y'all. Yeah, so, it look good, though. You eat it, too? How you like it?
It's good.
Okay. Are you eating with the sauce or no?
I did it with and without.
So, is it better, different? Is it a difference or the same?
It's better when it has the sauce with it.
So, what did you rate it before the sauce?
9.
And after the sauce?
10.
Oh, wow. You like the flavors? You said it's that sweet stuff, like remember like
Yeah,
that.
I do taste that.
Okay, good. Look, it is very good. I do taste that a little bit of sweetness. Of course, the burger taste, and the half time, the cooking time, it did lessen up, but it is just a little bit. But that's what you usually get with ribs. Is yours a little chewy at first, a little bit, or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little chewy, so but it don't take away from it at all. Just me, for my dough, it's a little different.
Oh.
Yeah, so maybe it's that too. But I do like it better with the sauce. But, okay, before the sauce, it goes with sauce, so probably like an 8.5 with the sauce. I would say a 9.5. Now the reason why it's not a 10 is because I feel like I said, if it didn't have that chewy part, but it's still a 9.5 though.
Why not a 9.6?
Okay, 9.6 then. I do love foods on the grill. Probably like a 9 point, I'm gonna say 9.7. 9.7. And then, yeah. So that's about it, yeah. Oh yeah, did you rate oh yeah, my cousin put a mango on the grill. And what you said you rated it?
10.
10. I wanted to put mustard, but I was kind of lazy. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little lazy. To rip it, I rip it over.
I'm tired and I didn't want to do it.
I feel like I would have been 10 for me too.
Yeah.
I love food. What did I put on the grill last time?
Peaches?
Oh yeah.
Baby
Peaches.
Yeah, that was so good. Here y'all have it, y'all have a blessed day. And happy 4th of July. Please be safe. But y'all have a blessed day.